Hi guys, and welcome back here in my channel, and meron tayong bagong video. So sa video na ito ay i-share ko sa inyo yung DIY home wall mirror namin. Before anything else, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I have a new upload. I got inspired of this home wall mirror sa Homebodies na group page. So, I got inspired from mga kapitbahay doon. Ang dami-daming mga inspiration na decoration sa loob ng bahay. So, mabubudol ka talaga. But this one, ito yung napili ko kasi meron kaming area sa bahay namin na very raw, which is in the dining area. And hindi ko pa siya nalagyan ng any decoration. I was thinking of putting wall frames, but I think the mirrors will really be the best kasi yung space ng aming bahay is not really that big, and you know, the mirror will really make your house look wide, or parang lumalaki yung space ng bahay ninyo. But if you're from Davao City and you are looking for the mirrors, meron naman sa SM Lanang. So they have that buy one take one mirrors, which is for only 299 pesos. So I got 5 sets. So it's a total of 10 mirrors, and yung nagamit namin is 9 pieces ng mirrors, and bumili din ako ng dalawang Pro Builders Pro Pioneer Builders Bond. Yun yung pangdikit na ginamit ko. So pwede siya pang mirror. Effective naman siya, and so far it's more than 1 week nang nadikit namin siya, and okay naman. Hindi naman siya nahulog or whatsoever. Basta hawakan nyo lang siya ng mga 5 to 10 minutes. Or hawakan nyo lang siya na maayos habang dinidikit yung mirror. Total na nagastos ko for the 5 sets of buy one take one mirrors na size 12 by 18 is 1,495 pesos, plus yung Pro Pioneer Builders Bond, which is for 59 pesos each. So dalawa yung binili ko is 59 each, which is 118 pesos. So ang total na nabayad ko or nagastos ko for that is 1,613. So very sulit na siya kasi yung customized mirror depende din sa size, and medyo mas mahal din siya compared to doing that DIY wall mirror. So, and yeah, anyway, now I am going to show you the video when we are trying to put on the mirrors on our wall. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, don't forget to click subscribe, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.